Hey class, so today I'm actually going to be showing you a pretty cool tool to help you to understand the sequence or the order of events. So in this case, this activity that I'll be briefly showing you is a finding a sequence activity on President Richard Nixon's visit to China, his famous visit to China during the Cold War, which was a significant turning point during the war. So basically for this sequencing activity, it'll help you out and it'll help you to analyze different sources, including documents as well as photos. As you can see, pretty much all of these here are photos, and it requires you to put them in order as a way of assessing if you can identify what happened before and what happened after. So it really helps you to put events in context, basically. So, and it also helps you with sourcing as well. So when you click on these images, it'll provide you information. So let's take a look at this one, for example. I'm going to assume this one's probably first because I see a plane. So when it loads, it'll help you to identify where the document is from, and it even gives you background information on what's going on in the photo. So it says right here, arrival of Air Force One in Peking, or Beijing, as it's also known. So this was February 21st, 1972, and it's his arrival, right? It comes from the White House Photo Office Collection, the National Archives. So it helps you with sourcing in this way, right? So let's go back to the activity. I'm going to assume this is the first one. So basically what will happen, you're going to take the photo, the tile, you're going to drag it over, and if you're correct, it'll stay there. If you're wrong, it'll shoot it out. So we were correct. So this one is the first one in the set. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like when you when you get one wrong. We'll take this one, try to pretend it's number 2. See how it shoots it back out. So what you want to do is you're going to want to have to go into each photo, look at what's going on with the background information, when the photo was taken, or where the source is from, and then you're going to try to situate it and compare it with the other documents that you see. And then once you've managed to take all the tiles and put them in the correct slots, then you'll have successfully finished the activity. So let's try to do a couple more and see what we got. So we have this one right here. When was this? Looks like the Great Wall of China. Like he's standing in front of the Great Wall. Sorry, the website right now has been kind of slow, but once it loads, we'll be able to see. There we go. There, yeah, so President and Mrs. Nixon visiting the Great Wall of China and the Ming Tombs on February 24th. So this is a few days after, right? A few days after. It's maybe like halfway into the trip, I would say. So let's go back, see if we can get this one right. It's a pretty cool picture that they got. So I'm gonna say this one's probably like towards the end, somewhere in the middle, maybe 8. Nope. 9. Awesome. Yeah. Let's do one more. Right here. Yeah, this is a cool picture. It's Richard Nixon meeting China's Communist Party leader, the leader of China, Mao Zedong, right? So February 29th. So this looks like it's going to be towards the very end, because the first date was February 21st. So I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna put that in at the very end, and then see if it's correct. So drag and drop. Perfect. Yeah, so basically that's what you would be doing. We would go back in and fill in the gaps here, go into each source, try to locate where it would, and situate it within context and see where it belongs. And then once you're done, you're good to go. So there you go. That's how you'll complete a finding a sequence activity using this analysis tool from docsteach.org. So hope that this video helped you out. And if you do have any other questions, go ahead and let me know. Thank you.